Hi, my name is Alex. What's your name?
Hi Alex, nice to meet you. I'm Jamie.
Where are you from, Jamie?
I'm from Boston. How about you?
I'm from Chicago. What do you do for a living?
I'm a graphic designer. What about you?
I'm a software engineer. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. I love being creative and working on different projects. How about you?
I enjoy it a lot too. It's challenging but rewarding. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the nearest coffee shop.
Sure. There's a great one just 2 blocks down the street on the right.
Thanks. Do you know if they have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, they do. It's a nice place to sit and work.
That sounds perfect. Do you go there often?
Sometimes. It's a good spot to relax and read.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I love hiking and painting. How about you?
I enjoy playing the guitar and cooking. Have you been hiking recently?
Yes, I went hiking last weekend in the mountains. It was beautiful.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes, I watched a great thriller last week. How about you?
I saw a comedy recently that was hilarious. What's the name of the thriller you watched?
It's called The Silent Witness. I highly recommend it.
I'll check it out. Thanks for the recommendation.
Of course, here it is. Would you like to start with a drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water and an iced tea.
Great, and are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I think I'm ready. I'll have the grilled chicken salad.
Excellent choice. Your order will be out shortly.
Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for flight 123?
It's over there, to the left of the main entrance.
Thank you. How early should I arrive before my flight?
At least 2 hours before your departure time.
Do you have this shirt in a medium size?
Let me check for you. Yes, we do. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where are the fitting rooms?
They are at the back of the store on the right.
It's really hot today, isn't it?
Yes, it's unusually warm for this time of year.
Do you think it will cool down soon?
I hope so. The forecast says it might rain tomorrow.
Have you read any good books lately?
Yes, I just finished a mystery novel that was fantastic.
What's the title? I'd love to read it.
It's called The Hidden Path by John Stevens.
Can I check in, please? I have a reservation under Smith.
Certainly, Mr. Smith. May I see your ID and credit card?
Here they are. What time is checkout tomorrow?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Can you show me how to use this machine?
Sure, this is the leg press. You just need to adjust the weight and push with your legs.
Thanks. How many sets should I do?
Start with 3 sets of 10 reps.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy a bit of everything, but mostly rock and jazz. You?
I love classical music and pop. Have you been to any concerts lately?
Yes, I saw a great jazz band last month.
Hi, I'd like to order a large pepperoni pizza.
Sure, would you like any sides or drinks with that?
Yes, I'll take a side of garlic bread and a soda.
Your total is $18.50. It should be delivered in about 30 minutes.
What seems to be the problem today?
I've been having a sore throat and a cough for a few days.
Let me take a look. Any other symptoms?
Just a slight fever.
Are you planning any trips this year?
Yes, I'm going to Japan in the fall.
That sounds exciting. How long will you be there?
For 2 weeks. I can't wait to explore Tokyo and Kyoto.
Can I get a large latte with almond milk?
Of course. Anything else for you?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Your total is $4.75. It'll be ready in a few minutes.
How long have you worked here?
I've been here for about 3 years.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I do. The work is interesting and the team is great.
Have you watched the latest episode of Stranger Things?
Yes, it was amazing. What did you think?
I loved it. The plot twists were incredible.
Totally. I can't wait for the next season.
Can you help me find a book on World War II?
Sure, the history section is over here. Let me show you.
Thanks. Do you have any recommendations?
The Second World War, by Anthony Beevor, is excellent.
What subjects are you studying this semester?
I'm taking biology, chemistry, and physics.
That's a lot of science.
I really enjoy biology the most.